Hey guys, I'm going to quickly show you how you can add your website to Google Search Console and verify it. So to do that, you can go to Google and search for Google Search Console. And you can click the first link and click on Start Now. If you want your Search Console to have all the data of all your domains in one, you can go with this. But if you want separate stats for separate subdomains, you can go for this one. So right now I'm going to use this option to add my domain. So you can copy your domain and paste it here without the HTTPS and click continue. And here we have few options to verify that we own the domain. So one is CNAME and text record. So I'm going to go with the text record since it's recommended by Google. So we need to copy this one and add it to our DNS of our domain. I use Cloudflare for the domain. In your dashboard, you can go to DNS section, click on add record, and we need to search for TXT in type. Choose that, and in the name field, you can type in the @ symbol, paste the verification code in the content, and then click save. Right, once now that is added, we can go back to Google Search Console and click verify. That's it. Now the ownership has verified. Now you can click on go to property. And this is the dashboard that you will see. So it's always important, once you add your site to Google, you need to go to sitemap and make sure you do have a sitemap for your site and then add it here because it'll help Google to know all your pages. So right now, obviously the stats would be empty even if your site existed before. So you need to give it at least a few hours, maybe 24 to 48 hours before it can show you any stats. If you're on WordPress and you want to generate a sitemap, you can actually use a plugin such as RankMath to generate it for you. I hope that helped, guys. So feel free to comment below if you have any questions. Thank you for watching.